Hey there, I'd like to provide a quick demo of the project I've been working at Canonical for the past month or so. It's a QML package for Go, enabling the creation of graphic applications using QML. So before anything else, I'm going to show you how it looks like. I'm going to build it, and it's fast as usual for Go applications. And we get that binary, the particle binary, and we can run it, and we have something like that, and then I can some nice particle effects. So let me show you how this was built. We have a particle QML file here, which is a declarative file. If you haven't seen QML before, there's pretty much no logic here, I think. Perhaps a few things like defining. You can use expressions, you can actually define functions if you want, but for that example I picked as a basis one of the standard demos for QML and stripped all the logic out so that I could implement that in Go instead, and kept here just the declarative portions of it. So you can see that in a few hook points I call a control object. For instance, when this is triggered, I call done on that control object. It is a Go value that we're going to see in a moment. And here as well, when the mouse is released, I call back on a Go method text release with an object here, which is the parent, which is the text we see here. So let's have a quick look at the Go application. You can see that it's pretty short. We initialize the QML package, create a new engine, load that file, and then we create a Go value here, which is a normal type. There's nothing special about it. It doesn't even implement any interface. Then we get a context and add that variable there, and create a window, grab the root object so that we can work with it from within the methods. So that control object has the two methods that you have seen there. We can see here the text released one, which gets the parent. That parent that we've seen being injected is being passed here. We can grab values out of it and call a method on it, and I can even create a Go routine and put it in the background so that I can update. That's how the text changes. We wait a little bit, while the whole animation, the particle effects are going on, so that it gets a little bit fuzzy while the text changes behind it, and then we use some randomness to change it. This is interesting as well. You can see that I'm setting the value and I'm warning QML, just saying, hey, that field has changed, so please update whatever you're doing with that value. And QML has a nice concept of bindings that I'll cover in more detail once the documentation is ready. So this is the emit method. It does a few things here, sets a few fields on the emitter, creates the emitter actually before that, and then it calls a few methods on those objects as well. And then when it's done, it destroys the emitter so that the animation stops. So it's not yet ready for prime time. As you can see, it's actually working, but there are a few things I want to fix. But really what I would like to do in the next couple of days maybe is just getting it ready for an alpha release, so that I can get the more brave users and people that want to contribute to see it actually working, to start joining on board and helping out. If you wanna join in, so please, there's a forum on that URL, Go QML, okay. So please join in, and I will publish something shortly with details about where the code lives, and fix the documentation as well to be more comprehensive, and anything else that is needed. So talk to you soon.